Come assemble this book tracker with me. So we have our base, our front layer, our middle layer, and our back layer. First thing I'm gonna do is slot our middle layer into the base. This should fit snugly like that. And then we can just glue the front on like this, and the back is going to go on like this. You're just gonna line up the bottom with the bottom edge there and glue that. I used Gorilla Super Glue, but you can use any wood glue or super glue of your preference. Once your glue is dry, you can remove your clamps, and your numbers just slide in the back like this. And the template includes numbers up to 300.